Today our topic is physical quantities. Students, as you know that in physics we study only those quantities which can be measured, and physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured. Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured. Those quantities which can be measured is called physical quantities. Now, what is measurement or measurement? When we compare an unknown quantity with some standard, that is called measurement. The comparison of a thing with some standard is called measurement. The comparison of a thing or unknown quantity with some standard is called measurement. As you know that if you want to measure cloth, so we compare that cloth with some standard, with meter rod. If we want to measure mass of a thing, so we compare that thing with kilogram, with standard, that is kilogram. So this is called what? Measurement. Now, for example, length. How length is a physical quantity? We can measure length of a book. We can measure length of a wall. We can measure cloth. So, length is a physical quantity. Similarly, mass. Mass is a physical quantity. If you want to measure mass of a thing, so we can measure mass of that thing. Mass of sugar, mass of flour, mass of candy. So these all are physical quantity. Similarly, temperature. You know that we can measure temperature of our body, temperature of water. So temperature is a physical quantity. Similarly, velocity. Velocity is a physical quantity. We can measure velocity of a car, speed of a car, acceleration of a car. So velocity, speed, acceleration, these all are physical quantities. Similarly, volume is a physical quantity. Atmospheric pressure. Pressure. So these all are physical quantities because we can measure these quantities. Now, what are non-physical quantities? Love, respect, tiredness. These all are non-physical quantities. Similarly, there are two types of physical quantities. Two types of physical quantities. Base quantities and derived quantities. What are physical quantities? Those quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. As I told you, temperature, volume, length, mass, these all are physical quantities. And there are two main types of physical quantities: base physical quantities and derived physical quantities. Thank you and have a nice day.